Hello YouTubers. Today I'm gonna show you another wire hose uh, washer. This is a Samsung 5.2. As you see, the model starts with WA52. That means it's a 5.2 cubic feet capacity. So that's a quite big washer, and I'm gonna test it with this tower on a small blanket. I'm gonna start running a spin cycle while I explain you a little bit about it. See, as you can see, it's got the all the cold functions. Well, these two are recommended for heavy stuff. You know, like if you wanna do winter jackets or like if you're gonna do a large load. This is fully recommended to run this. And if you're gonna do actually, this is for a heavy load. This is for blankets, like very large or heavy blanket. All right. Be aware that none of the home washers are able to do comforters. Comforter is not. You shouldn't do that in a washer. It'll damage the washer if you do a comforter. All right. So you see all the cycles. So remember, if you run a quick cycle and you increase the soil, usually will be as good as a normal cycle, but a lot quicker. All right, rinse and spin. It only puts water and it spins like the cycle I'm running right now. And spin, obviously, it only spins. It's like if you're gonna get something you got wet and you just wanna dry them up a little bit. You got the pre-soak, extra rinse. As you can tell, it's got a sink. This thing is a sink, so you can do a hand wash. And it's got the button right here, so you press and then it shoots the water inside the sink for the hand wash. We got the Eco Plus and the fiber softener wash. It's kind of like for delicate. This is the temperature of the cycles. Usually you can select all the temperatures on most cycles except for the obviously except for delicates. And delicates you're not able to get from hot and extra hot. The spin, remember, don't get too extra high if you get something some delicate, shirts or something that is got like a design stamp. You shouldn't go to the highest because they spin really fast and it might damage your design on your clothes. You got the soil. Remember, the soil not only extends the time but also makes the washer to work harder. It washes harder if you increase the soil to the extra heavy. On this, the buttons with the star, that means that you need to press, like on this one, child lock to child lock, you need to press these two together. And on this, for the smart care, you press it up for only this button for three seconds. All right. So self clean. This I recommend you to run the self clean at least every year, once a year. A delay end is like a timer. Every time you press this one, increases 1 hour. So it goes 1H, 2H, 3H, and so on. And this is to memorize your favorite cycle. So to memorize this, you press it for 3 seconds. And once you memorize this, when you start it, when you turn on the power, and then you press this one, you call all the stuff, and then it'll start by itself. All right. I'm gonna pause it until it starts spinning, so that you can see that no problem when it spins.